We all look for a place that we can rely on. A place filled with people that believe in dedication and hard work. Here at Srg Automotive, we work to make sure your vehicle is running safely and efficiently. With mechanics with over 30 years of experience, the best tools, and a commitment to giving you the highest quality service. From state inspections to engine repairs, no matter the problem, you know your vehicle is in the right hands. At Srg, we don't just see you as a job, but as a friend that we want to make sure gets to where they are going safely. Seeing you off knowing you'll get where you're going. Srg Automotive. Bring your car in today.